Last 5 years, the prices remained flat in spite of the wages going up by 30% and the input costs of a lot of materials like artificials, chemicals had all gone up. The prices did not show an increase, commensurate increase. Therefore, this price increase was much overdue. Had it not been there, it would have been curtains for the tea industry. However, but this price increase, let me put one thing very clear: this price increase is not going to compensate for the loss in crop what we have incurred. The absolute numbers at the end of the year will be much lower than what we had at the end of 2019 in terms of revenue earned. Now going to your number 2 question about the labor welfare work. The labor welfare and labor welfare policies are all mandated under the Plantation Labour Act, which the industry diligently follows. There may be exceptions here and there, but by and large, everybody abides by these laws, which covers the basic needs of the plantation labor. About the tea industry coping up after during the pandemic, the tea industry in the first place has always been a fighter. And the planters do not panic very fast. And thirdly, they are very highly motivated. So they're always finding out some way or the other to come out of a crisis situation. And tea industry being a cyclic in nature, we have seen these kind of ups and downs happening every decade. So this problem also, what we saw, we thought we'll fight it out, and the only way to fight it out was to make good quality tea, because there was nothing we could do about the crop. The crops we had already lost to the tune of almost 130 to 140 million in June, and that deficit is going to go up in the subsequent months of July and August because of adverse weather conditions. So the quality has paid, and also the deficit in the supply and supply chain has also resulted in a slightly better position as far as the price realization is concerned. But again, this price realization was due for a long time, because for the last 5 years there was no increase in prices. It will happen. The managements of every company are always trying to do the best possible what they can do for the labor, which is the main working force for the industry. And I'm sure with the increase in prices, and if at all the profits are made, a part of it is surely going to go back to the gardens and to the respective states where the plantations are located.